Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Beam, and today we got one of them bangers. If you're new to my channel, hit that like button, that share button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out, and let's get it. So as you guys can see, I want to go ahead and brush down this side. Shout out to my client, man. This is a new client that's been rocking with me for like the last month or two. He had hit me up. He used to watch, the videos and stuff like that. My boy just been consistent, man, and he do something, something light. He's starting to grow his hair out, so he want to do a nice little, mid taper, no C cups, fresh line up, and just keep it clean. So, big shout out to my client. So as you guys can see, I go in with a 1 all the way open, not a 1 guard, but basically my clipper all the way open is a 1, and then I have my 0.5 guard completely open right here, just using the edges of it just so I can etch into those darker areas to create that nice transition. Drop them halfway and start to hit at the bottom of that line as well again. And me doing that, I'm just lightening up and debulking this area, but creating a nice clean gradient effect. Completely closed right here, and we just rocking, we rolling, and we in the bag, and we, that's what we need to stay. As you guys can see, the gradiency is coming together. It's not super perfect, but it's coming together. And just stand on the edge of that blade, and we just working, just chipping at the iceberg. That's the most important part. You don't have to have super crazy progress, but as long as you chipping at the objective, it's gonna come together. Completely closed with my clipper right here, as you guys can see. Open them up just a tad bit, and we just stand in that pocket. Completely open right here in that pocket. We're just gassing. Big shout out to my dog Germ Bowman too. Y'all know who give it up for the channel. Always stepping, with a purpose. Germ always going crazy. So, I try to match his fly when it comes to putting the beats together. I try to put a nice, little video together there. But as you guys can see, we got a clean gradient effect. I'm just playing in some of these certain dark areas and trying to bring it and pull it all the way together. And as you guys can see, the tape is starting to look beautiful. Now, top of the beard, even though my client beard is super light, it's always, always just take it together. Same steps in the back, punch in my ball line. And yeah, sometimes my ball line do come in crooked, but that's because my camera is sitting on my mount behind me, so I have to be very, 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 very mindful of that. Started closed, and I went to halfway, and then you guys gonna see me go completely open. As you guys can see, the back is fading really well. Drop them close all the way again here, just to make sure I'm hitting the bottom of that. Completely closed. There we go. Yep. Wide open, as far as they could open up. And we just piece by piecing it, brick by bricking it, layering by layering it. Little finesse to it, little bag with the wrist action. Completely open with that 0.5 guard, bringing it all the way together. Giving myself about 1 inch, halfway here, dropping them down some. Completely closed. Back open. Yeah. It's fire, man. Y'all know how we give it up on this channel. It's always a beauty. It's always a beauty. We always try to do something special for y'all. We always trying to keep it in that pocket for y'all. We always trying to allow you guys to understand and know what Beam is going throughout these haircuts. It's not that these haircuts is hard. Sometimes it's hair pattern. Sometimes it's the time of the day. Sometimes it depends on how fresh my hands is behind the chair. Every situation is different. So I just want you guys to be very mindful that depending on what type of barber you are, or what type of stage of barbering or years that you are in, certain things will affect the way that you cut hair. So as long as you got that system, that's the thing that keep you consistent. But as you guys can see, beautiful neck taper. Beautiful, 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 beautiful neck taper. And as you guys can see, we just etching it in, playing on the corner of our teeth, and just bringing it together just a tad bit more. And just piece by piece, we putting it together. Gas. Next step, same steps here. I want to punch in the guideline, but y'all know it's the right side of the head, so it's one of my favorite parts. It's when I get a chance to connect with the world. Man, bro, so much been going on, but I want to give a big shout out to everybody that's ordered from the Blade line, bro. The last video that I did, it didn't do a lot of views, but we got like 40 bars. You get what I'm saying? I haven't been doing no promotion online outside of just, you know, YouTube and the YouTube video. So I want to give a big shout out to everybody that's ordered their blade off of those last videos. Those blades are in the mail. Check your Shopify or check your email, because I updated all of you guys tracking numbers. If you guys want, please hit that blade link, you know, link below, where I sharpen and modify, you know, blades for you guys by hand, to make sure that you guys got all of y'all trimmers and blades hitting exactly like mine. Again, below in the description, it's the first link in the description, which is the Blade Lab subscription. It's a company that I own, that I sharpen and hand modify and set these blades to perfection, so you guys can, you know, y'all can have smackers just like me. But also, you know, it's that time of the year. It's a new year, man. New year. I know everybody want a new year, new me, whoop the bam. I say this. I challenge everybody to do something special with their family. And it don't have to be a crazy vacation. You ain't got to travel. Go do something nice. Go do a picnic. You get what I'm saying? Go to the amusement park. You know, go out late night. Go fishing. You know, just vibe with your family. Like, you know, the world just getting more wicked and more wickeder. And I would definitely, if it was me, because what I'm going to do this year, you know, I'm saving up for vacations and all different type of stuff, you know, for my family. But at the end of the day, it's all about spending time with my loved ones, the ones that keep me grounded. So, you know, I challenge all you guys out there to do something special, do something nice for your loved ones, you know, and, you know, create these memories, bro, because that's one thing I'm starting to notice. As much money as we spend, it don't mean nothing after we spend the money. So I'd rather spend money on memories so me and my family can always remember it. Again, for 15% off of your Oneblade lather machine, hit the link in the description. As you guys can see, first wireless lather machine on the market that produces fresh, hot, clean lather for the client's skin. As you guys can see, it is very dope. You can take this thing with you everywhere. If I'm you, this is in my repertoire, hands down. Because at the end of the day, my job is about being easier, having the products behind, you know, my station that allow me to do my job at the highest clip possible. Once that's done, I go in with a hot towel, and I lay this hot towel there for about 1 to 2 minutes, wipe my client down, you know, and then I get into line up prep. Because now that this area is basically clean, it's ready for me to prep it. Go in with a tad bit of Holder spray, brush that in, make sure we lined up, and now I want to punch in all of my lines, piece by piece, brick by brick, layer by layer. As you guys can see, they hitting, man. They hitting. Skin prep. The Oneblade lather machine mixed with some Holder spray at the end of it. You're gonna be able to produce them crack lines, bruh. Easy. 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 Tap, go, tap, go, tap, go. You see spitting that white line? That's that Blade Lab blade right there. That's sharpened and modified by me. If you want your blades like that, hit that link in the description. I promise you, I'm gonna make you some hitters, bruh. We've been waiting on that. Like, I've been, you know, I'm putting this symmetrical work out there, bruh. All thing you gotta do is come shop with me if you want your tools to do the same thing. Popping in my guidelines in the front. Being very intentional with the lines that I'm putting in. Vertical bars. Resetting myself, move all the way to the right side now. Vertical bar. Look at it spitting the white line. Crazy. Shot cuts, color enhancement card mixed with the beam team cordless compressor and the color no drip. Gassing. Easy. easy work. Just giving this a pop, giving this a flair, taking it basically to the next level. Little by little. We for sure gassing. Hit it with some spritz to relock it in. Look the client back, angle that razor at a 45-degree angle. Bring everything back to the highest point for the beard. As you guys can see, it's just looking crispy, bruh. It's looking crispy. Piece by piece. Redo that. Take the shot multiple times. Literally, multiple times. Gas. Hit the vertical bar right here. Hitting a little bit of the front line up right here. Small passes, ensuring high sharpness. Vertical bars here. Front of the line up here. Glass. Glass. Yep. Now I go in with some rapid lotion just to make sure that this hair curl up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's unfortunate that we get clients that come in the shop without haircuts for a while, but as barbers, it's up to us to change that outcome. And y'all don't know me. I wouldn't beat myself if I didn't step. So let's lock it. Hashtag TBT in that comment section. Hashtag glass. Hashtag Glacier Gang. It's year 2026, man. Y'all better focus up. Let's make this joint about family. Let's have fun. Let's stay elevated. Let's keep pushing forward. Let's stay locked in. And most importantly, may God bless.